Hello, and welcome to today's video. If you've ever found yourself staring at the ceiling, counting sheep, and wondering why sleep seems so elusive, you're not alone. I've been there too. Nights of tossing and turning left me feeling drained and desperate for a solution. Then I discovered a simple and natural remedy: cloves. For years I struggled to find a way to quiet my mind and relax my body enough to fall asleep. Like so many others, I tried everything, from cutting out caffeine to experimenting with over-the-counter sleep aids. Some methods worked temporarily, but none felt sustainable or healthy for long-term use. That's when I turned to natural solutions and stumbled upon cloves. Those small aromatic buds, often overlooked in our spice racks, turned out to be a hidden gem for promoting restful sleep. Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their incredible health benefits. Their sleep-enhancing properties are backed by modern science, making them a reliable option for anyone seeking a natural remedy. In this video, I'll share the secrets of how cloves can transform your nights. We'll explore the science behind their effectiveness, learn an easy method to incorporate them into your bedtime routine, and discuss additional tips to maximize their benefits. Whether you're dealing with occasional sleeplessness or chronic insomnia, this simple and accessible solution might just be what you've been searching for. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a new tool in your wellness toolkit. Let's embark on this journey together toward better, more restorative sleep. The science behind cloves and sleep. The secret to cloves' sleep-enhancing power lies in their remarkable chemical composition, specifically a compound called eugenol. Eugenol is a natural compound with impressive calming and sedative properties. It works by interacting with the nervous system to help reduce stress, alleviate anxiety, and relax tense muscles, all of which are critical for falling asleep and staying asleep. When your body and mind are in a state of calm, sleep comes more naturally. Eugenol has also been shown to help regulate cortisol levels. Cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone, can spike at night due to various factors, leaving you restless and awake. By lowering cortisol, cloves can help prepare your body for a peaceful transition into sleep. Additionally, cloves' antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to overall health, creating a more balanced internal environment that supports better sleep patterns. Beyond eugenol, cloves contain trace amounts of magnesium and vitamin K, both of which play a role in relaxing muscles and supporting the body's natural sleep cycle. These compounds work synergistically to promote relaxation and encourage restorative rest. While research on cloves and sleep is still emerging, preliminary findings and centuries of traditional use point to their potential as a safe and natural aid for insomnia and other sleep-related issues. Understanding the science behind cloves makes it clear why they're such a powerful tool for improving sleep. Unlike synthetic sleeping pills, which can have undesirable side effects, cloves offer a natural, holistic approach to enhancing your sleep quality. By tapping into the calming effects of eugenol, you're giving your body the support it needs to unwind and prepare for a night of rejuvenating rest. The simple clove sleep method. Now that we understand why cloves are so effective for promoting sleep, let's look at how to incorporate them into your nightly routine. One of the easiest and most enjoyable methods is to prepare a soothing cup of clove tea. This simple yet powerful ritual can help set the tone for relaxation and prepare your body for a restful night. To make clove tea, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 to 3 whole cloves, a cup of hot water. Optional, a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Instructions: 1. Begin by boiling a cup of water. Once it's hot, pour it into a mug. 2. Add 2 to 3 whole cloves to the water and let them steep for 5 to 7 minutes. The longer they steep, the stronger the flavor and benefits. 3. Remove the cloves and, if desired, add a teaspoon of honey to enhance the flavor. 4. Sip the tea slowly about 30 minutes before bedtime, allowing its warmth and calming effects to take hold. This tea is not only easy to prepare, but also a comforting way to wind down at the end of a long day. The warmth of the tea, combined with the soothing properties of eugenol, creates the perfect pre-sleep ritual. For those who prefer non-consumable methods, consider using clove essential oil in an aromatherapy diffuser. Simply add a few drops of clove oil to the diffuser and let the gentle aroma fill your bedroom. The scent of cloves is known for its calming and grounding effects, making it an excellent addition to your sleep environment. Another option is to create a clove sachet. Fill a small pouch with whole cloves and place it under your pillow or on your nightstand. The subtle fragrance can help you relax as you drift off to sleep. This method is especially appealing to those who enjoy the scent of spices and prefer a hands-off approach. No matter which method you choose, the key is to be consistent. Incorporate your chosen clove ritual into your nightly routine and give it some time to work. Natural remedies like cloves often require patience, but the results are well worth the effort. Pair these methods with other healthy sleep habits, such as keeping a regular bedtime, limiting screen time in the evening, and creating a dark, cool, and quiet sleeping environment. By taking these steps, you're not just using cloves as a remedy, you're creating a holistic approach to better sleep. The beauty of these methods lies in their simplicity and accessibility, making them perfect for anyone looking to improve their sleep naturally and effectively. Tips for enhancing your clove. Sleep routine. While incorporating cloves into your nightly routine is a fantastic first step toward better sleep, there are additional strategies you can use to enhance their effectiveness. These complementary practices can help create the ideal conditions for restful sleep, turning your clove ritual into a comprehensive bedtime routine. Start by designing a soothing sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary dedicated to rest and relaxation. Begin by decluttering your space to reduce distractions and create a calming atmosphere. Opt for dim lighting in the evenings, as bright lights can interfere with your body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Consider using soft, warm-toned lamps or candles to create a tranquil ambiance. Next, consider pairing cloves with other relaxation techniques. For instance, deep breathing exercises or meditation can help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Before bed, spend 5 to 10 minutes focusing on slow, deep breaths. This practice not only reduces stress, but also enhances the calming effects of the eugenol in cloves. Similarly, progressive muscle relaxation, where you tense and then release each muscle group, can work wonders in relieving physical tension and promoting a sense of peace. Another effective tip is to establish a consistent bedtime routine. Your body thrives on routine, and going to bed at the same time each night helps regulate your internal clock. Incorporate your clove method, whether it's tea, aromatherapy, or a sachet, into this routine to signal to your body that it's time to unwind. Over time, these rituals will condition your brain to associate these actions with sleep, making it easier to drift off. Physical activity during the day also plays a significant role in improving sleep quality. Regular exercise, such as a brisk walk or yoga session, can help regulate your circadian rhythm and make it easier to fall asleep at night. However, avoid vigorous workouts in the hours leading up to bedtime, as they may leave you feeling too energized to sleep. Dietary habits can further enhance the benefits of your clove routine. Try to avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol in the evening, as they can disrupt your sleep cycle. Instead, opt for light, nutrient-rich snacks that promote sleep, such as a banana or a handful of almonds. These foods, combined with your clove tea, can work together to help you relax and prepare for sleep. For those who enjoy aromatherapy, consider blending clove essential oil with complementary scents like lavender or chamomile. These essential oils are well known for their relaxing properties and can enhance the soothing atmosphere in your bedroom. Experiment with different combinations to find a blend that resonates with you. Patience and consistency are key when using cloves for better sleep. Natural remedies often take time to show their full effects, so don't be discouraged if you don't notice immediate results. Stick with your routine, make adjustments as needed, and trust the process. Over time, you'll likely find that you're falling asleep more easily, staying asleep longer, and waking up feeling refreshed. Lastly, remember to listen to your body. While cloves are generally safe for most people, it's important to monitor how they affect you personally. If you experience any adverse reactions or if sleep issues persist, consider consulting with a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific needs and help ensure that you're on the right path to achieving restful, rejuvenating sleep. By combining cloves with these additional tips, you can create a powerful and holistic approach to improving your sleep. Together, these practices can transform your nights and leave you feeling energized and ready to take on each new day. Cloves are more than just a kitchen spice. They're a gateway to peaceful and rejuvenating sleep. Throughout this video, we've explored how these tiny aromatic buds can transform your nights and improve your overall well-being. From understanding the science of eugenol to learning simple clove-based methods, you now have the tools to embrace a natural solution for your sleep troubles. Restful sleep is essential for a healthy life. It rejuvenates the mind, repairs the body, and prepares us to tackle the challenges of each day. With cloves, you can take a step toward achieving that balance naturally without relying on synthetic aids that may come with side effects. The beauty of cloves lies in their simplicity, accessibility, and effectiveness. If you haven't already, I encourage you to try one of the methods discussed, whether it's savoring a warm cup of clove tea, diffusing clove essential oil, or using a clove sachet under your pillow. Experiment with what works best for you, and don't hesitate to incorporate additional tips for enhancing your bedtime routine. Remember, consistency and patience are the keys to unlocking the full benefits of this natural remedy. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried using cloves for sleep before? If so, what was your experience? If not, are you excited to give it a try? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your insights might just inspire someone else to embark on their journey to better sleep. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more valuable tips and tricks for living a healthier, happier life. If you know someone who struggles with sleep, share this video with them. It might be the solution they've been searching for. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the power of cloves. Here's to a future filled with restful nights and energized mornings. Sweet dreams, and until next time, take care.